Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this Corel file and they import the image with a bounding box, and you can see it's a bitmap. And then they, under bitmap, convert the image to clip art, which I do, and then reduce the detail of the object to minimal graphics. I don't do that. I don't use power clip. And if that works for him, I'm going to show you what might be better. I'm going to take a yellow box and I'm going to set it on yellow. And I'm going to go to object, order, backup page. And I'm not doubting his idea, but I just think this works better. And I thank you for doing this. I thank you for giving me this challenge. But anyway, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 6 inches because this is like, well, let's set it on 4. Okay. I would strongly suggest you change your duplicate distance to 0, 0. Anyway, I'm always going to make a duplicate of that item just in case I mess it up. I'm going to grab that item. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace Clip Art, like he suggested, and I do. And then there's my image without a bounding box. Now, it is a pixelized version of the cookie, and he's trying to delete some detail. I don't think we need to do that. And I'm nudging the whole time. I'm not moving. So I'm going to be able to take a box, get my Smart Fill tool, I'm going to set on blue, and then I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to change my Smart Fill to red, and I'm going to fill in the red just for the video. Now I'm going to nudge it back over the original cookie. I'm going to grab both items, and you look down here, you've got 2 objects selected. I'm going to use the intersect tool, and with the intersect tool, it did that right there. Same thing as power clip, but I think you can adjust things a little bit better. Now we're going to take our bounding box and make it black. And I can see some white part of the cookie that you might not want in the picture. And because when you intersect it, you could get rid of these nodes. Go ahead and get rid of a lot of nodes and then take that node and bring it in. So you're going to maybe cut into the cookie a little bit or eat into the cookie. But if you go all the way around and get where you can just see yellow of the cookie, I think you'd be a lot better off. Power clip, sometimes I've had people say, and I've experienced a couple of times, that it'll actually print some white. And like I say, it doesn't matter. You're maybe changing the shape of the cookie, but who's going to know? And, just get rid of some of these nodes and then bring it in, because that's going to print. You don't want that glow. And if we look at it, that looks pretty good. A little bit more cleanup around here, and you're done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching. And thanks for the person that sent it to me.